Hello everyone, my name is Pranav Sharma, and in this video we will be solving another problem on Codeforces, and the name of the problem is Prepend and Append. So let's jump into the problem statement. So Tamur initially had a binary string S. He performed the following operation several times: add 0 to one end of the string and 1 to other end of the string. For example, starting from the string 10011, you can obtain this string or either this string. So what it is saying is that, for example, this is the given string, this one is the given string, and what the Tamur can do here is that at one end he can simply add 0 and at the other end he can add 1. Okay, he can also do the vice versa of it. For example, he can add 1 here or he can add 0 here. Okay, so this operation he can perform, and we were given this as our input, and we need to determine what was his actual string that he took. For example, in this case he took this string, right? This string, this was his actual string, so we need to return this actual string in the problem statement that is given to us. So as you can see, you are given a Tamur's final string. What is the length of the shortest possible string he could have started with? So we need to return that string with which he started to do operations. Okay, or initial string, we need to return the initial string. So the input format is simple. First we need to input the test case, and in each test case we need to input an integer, and which would be the length of the binary string, and after that we need to input the string. The output format for each test case: output a single non-negative integer, the shortest possible length of Tamur's original string. Note that Tamur's original string could have been empty, in which case you should output 0. So they are saying that Tamur's original string can also be an empty string. In that case you need to return 0 as your answer. So okay, that's it. So let's see how we will approach this problem. So for example, if I have given this string as my input and I need to return the initial string of the Tamur, I know that he can append 0 at the beginning and then he need to append 1 at the end, which means that he was doing two operations simultaneously. He cannot do like this. First append 0 at the beginning and then also append 0 at the end. He needs to append 0 and 1 at the end or at the beginning simultaneously. So what I can do here is that I'll place my one pointer I at the starting point, and I'll place my second pointer J here. And as we can see that 0 and 1 are two different numbers, then we will do plus plus and J minus minus. Then our I will come here and my J will come here. Right? Now 1 and 1 are not different. 1 and 1 are equal. And we will break the loop, and what we will do, we will print J minus I plus 1. If we are using 0 based indexing, then we will put plus 1 in it. Okay, for example, it would be like 0, my I will be 1 and my J will be 1 2 3 4 5 6. It would be 7, it would be 6, I guess. No, it would be 5. and then if I do +1 here, not like this, man, it is 5 minus my I is 1, and then I'll do +1 here, so output would be 5. Okay, 1 2 3 4. Oh, sorry, what the hell is going on? What would be the index of I? The index of I would be 1. The index of j would be 0 1 2 3 4. So index of j would be 4, so we will do 4 minus 1 plus 1, which will be equals to 4, right? We'll do it like this. Okay, so let's try to code it. So I have already written the code here. So in this, first I have invoked my main function, and inside my main function I have inputted my test cases. So here I have input the test cases, and after that I applied my while loop, and inside my while loop I have invoked my solve function. My solve function is of void type, and inside my solve function I have taken input of total number of length of the binary string. After that I have input the string, and after that I have initialized the pointer I equals to 0 and set j is equals to n minus 1. So I have applied a loop where which will run until and unless which will run when si and sj are not equal. Okay, and if they are equal, we will break out of the loop, and if they are not equal, we will do I plus plus and j minus minus, and inside my answer I have stored j minus I plus 1. And here what is the case, that if answer is greater than or equals to 0, we'll simply print our answer, and if it is less than 0, then we'll simply print 0. Okay, so this is the code, and let's see if it works or not. I have already submitted it, as you can see here. This is the same code that I have shown you earlier, so you can take the screenshot of it. And thank you for watching the video. I'll see you in the next video.